He was a happy baby. What happened? What happened? You smile? Let me see you smile. Let me see. Let mommy see. Let me see. Oh, there it is. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. I have not vlogged in a while and I'm just kind of like adding this to it. I wanted to say good morning and open up this vlog. I have my sunglasses on because I'm getting ready to leave the house and go pick up my friend Crystal. We're gonna get coffee. And yeah, so I just got ready. Today is a sad day, but a happy day for my mom because she finally left to go to be with my dad. And we finally have the house and I'm ready to start like our life here and our family. And hi baby. So today I need to like clean out her old room, which is our new master bedroom, and just kind of like clean the bathroom, put the new shower curtain up and the rug and like a couple other things. And then when Kev gets home tonight, we're gonna move the bed in there and like the nightstand and the dresser that we're using for Caden right now. And then we're getting your crib soon and we're gonna set up your room finally. Yeah. And then we're actually gonna go to the grocery store too. So this is gonna be Caden's first time being in public. He's never gone to the grocery store. He's never gone anywhere except for the hospital that he was born in. And then he's been to like checkups and stuff. But because my mom was here, we just had her watch him because of COVID. We just don't really feel comfortable bringing him in public, but now we don't really have an option. So I just told Kev and my mom, like, I'm probably not gonna put Caden in the grocery cart with his car seat. I'm just gonna put him in the stroller and Kev can push the grocery cart and I'll push Caden in the stroller because that's what I feel is like cleanest and safest for him. So yeah, I got ready today. I did my makeup. I think it turned out really good, and I put my hat on because I haven't worn this hat since I was pregnant and I really like it. So I'm probably gonna have her take some pictures of me. Glasses are from Quay or Key. Necklace is from Marshalls. It's a Ray Dunn necklace for Caden and Kevin. And my duffel bag, or my diaper bag I'm wearing. I'm not really wearing anything too specific, just a black top with my flannel, some slides, and some leggings. A mom outfit. I didn't put any lipstick on because I took off my other lipstick. I just wasn't a fan of the way that it looked. So that's why my lips are like nude. But yeah, the house is clean. I'm happy and I'm getting ready to head out. I just wanted to say hey. I also filled this box with a bunch of clothes and diapers and stuff for Crystal and her baby because Caden boy is in 3 to 6 months now, huh? So you're too big for all your newborn clothes. So we gave some of them away to your friend. Is that okay? Yeah, and he's in size 1 diapers, so those are newborn Pampers in there. But yeah, size 1 diapers, and you're just sleeping through the night and you're just like the best baby ever, huh? Yeah, you are. Okay, mommy's gonna load you up because mommy's hungry and I need some coffee. Ready?
My thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place, stuck in this commotion. How come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same.
My makeup's probably like super messed up, but I need to turn this down before I get copywritten. I just finished vacuuming the entire room. We took all the furniture out that was in here and I left the TV because we have to get some TVs from his parents' house. But I wanted to vacuum everywhere so that the floor looks good. How satisfying are these lines? I don't know why it's like my new obsession. But yeah, floor is done. He's making dinner. And then when he's done making dinner, we're gonna move everything in here. Caden is down for his last nap, so we figured to get some things done. I'm hungry. He's making barbecue shredded chicken over some like pastaroni thing because we had leftover chicken in the fridge. So yeah, this is the before, and I'm excited to fill this room. So yeah. Gonna be our first night in here. I finished the bathroom. I didn't even show you guys. There's like some random products on the floor, but this is the bathroom. Shower curtain is brand new from Amazon. The liner is from Target. This sign I think is from Ross. This towel thing I think is from Amazon. Towels are random. And then the soap dispenser things are from Amazon. So are those. But I think it looks really cute. I just threw this mat in here, but the black one is part of the other bathroom as well. But it looks good.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. But cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
So I am popping on here to say hi. I have not popped on here at all to say hello and introduce you to this video, but I wanted to sit here because I've been so busy and I'm finally getting around to editing this video. I kind of want to film another one of these that's a little bit more in depth, but I just started filming this one day and I was just showing you guys all of the chores that I like to do around the house during the week. I do like to break up the chores because it is kind of hard to get them all done in one day when you have a baby, but I wanted to kind of give you a little bit of an inside scoop on the little things that I do on the daily basis around this house. I went ahead and stripped our bedding after finishing the kitchen and gave everything on my nightstand a good wipe down. Having this wipe warmer, a camera, the hatch, this little basket that has every little necessity that you need for a breastfeeding mom and a baby. You definitely need one if you are a mom. You need the nighttime basket. So I went ahead and organized that and just kind of cleaned up everything along the lines of the nightstand. I did actually spill a smoothie the other day on my nightstand, so I had to wipe off all the cords and all of it. It was literally a hot mess. And then in the middle of this, Caden started having a fit, so I had to tend to him before I could finish doing anything.
Nobody wants to see you cry. No.
Get most of the cleaning done in the morning time. So Caden only takes one like 45-minute nap around like 9 o'clock to 10, and then he takes his like 2.5-hour nap at like 12-ish. So this is my time to clean the bathroom. Sometimes I let him fall asleep in that bouncer right there, but I'm usually always checking on him. Now that he is bigger, this was filmed like a couple weeks ago, I don't really put him in that anymore unless he's on the floor because he's a wild boy and likes to roll over now and all that fun stuff. So don't mom shame me for putting the bouncer on the bed. He was not rolling over at the time and I always am checking on him. But anyways, yeah, I did the bathroom. I feel like I neglect our bathroom a lot. I need to clean it more like every single week, but this is like every other week. So I went ahead and cleaned the tub and the shower and everything like that. I did use the same multi-purpose spray for the whole bathroom, and then I cleaned the toilet obviously with different cleaning products. Once a week we like to take out this diaper genie, or every couple days, just depends, because I don't really come in here to change him unless it's in the middle of the night or around bedtime. So this genie doesn't get that full because I tend to just throw most of the dirty diapers in the kitchen trash or outside if obviously they are poopy diapers. And I also love to vacuum our carpet in our room because it's so plush. It just makes me feel better when our carpet is vacuumed, which filming this, it's been a minute since I've done it, so I definitely need to do that. Let me know if you guys want to see a like nighttime after dark clean with me, because I feel like I'm very motivated at night to clean the kitchen after dinner and just like the whole rest of the house. I feel like I really want to start doing cleaning videos just because I do a lot of deep cleaning around the house and I personally like to watch those kind of videos. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see that. But that pretty much concludes this cleaning motivation. I'm sorry it's all over the place. This took me a couple days to film, but next video will be a sit down video, and then I'd love to do another one of these, but just different cleaning. But yeah, I also cleaned the guest bathroom, but I didn't do too much fancy stuff. I just like to kind of like wipe down everything and clean the toilet, of course. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed and got a little bit of motivation out of this, or even just got some cleaning done by just listening or watching this. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys, and until next time, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.